Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Solution. No more fear for physics. As I have already stated in my previous video that students find the subject physics as one of the most terrible one. But I ensure all of you that if you go through all my videos sequentially, you will surely clear all of your doubts and basic concepts related to physics and will gain the ability to take the subject as one of the most challenging one. If you have any doubts, then feel free to raise your queries in comment section, or you can directly mail me in this email physics.queries.solutions@gmail.com. Now, today we will discuss about the topic electrostatics. That is the first unit under the syllabus of class 12. The unit is further divided into 6 chapters. For the first chapter is electrostatic charge and its property, then Coulomb's law, electric field density, electric potential, Gauss's theorem and its application, capacitor and capacitance. In today's video, we will start the first chapter, electrostatic charge and its property. As this is the first chapter, this is the entering path into the world of current. Now, before entering into this chapter, let's take an overview upon the topics that are to be discussed in this chapter. The topics are types of electricity, what does it mean by electrostatics, then frictional electricity, description about electric charges, properties of electric charges, types of substances, electric induction, some knowledgeable topics related to electrostatics. Now, come about the first topic, types of electricity. Before knowing the types of electricity, first come to know what is electricity. Now, electricity is nothing but a energy due to accumulation of some charges. Obviously, the charges are electrical charges. Now, electricity is divided into two types. One is static electricity and the other is current electricity. Now, the word static electricity is divided into two halves. One is static and the other is electricity. That means the electricity that is static in nature. Now, what does it mean by static? The word static means that it is stationary in nature. That means it can't move from one part to another of an object. So the electricity that can't move, that means that is stationary or static is in nature, is known as static electricity. Now, what is current electricity? It is just like opposite of static electricity. In static electricity, the electricity is stationary or static in nature. But in case of current electricity, the electricity is immovable in nature. That means the electricity can move from one part to another of an object. That means it is not stationary or static in nature. Now, come about the proper description of static electricity. The electricity that is generated within or on the surface of an object due to stationary electric charge, typically produced by friction and can't move from one part of the object to the other part, is known as static electricity. Now, if you take a close look on the description, you will find a key word, that is friction. That means it clearly defines that static electricity is typically produced by frictional force. Now, if you remember that when I started the chapter, I stated some key topics. In that topics, there is a point related to friction, that is frictional electricity. Here it is, that is frictional electricity. When I will discuss about the topic, you will clearly understand how friction takes a part in production of electric charges, that means in production of electricity. Now, come about current electricity. What is the proper definition of current electricity? Current electricity is simply defined as a phenomena arise from the flow of charged particle, specifically of electrons, along a path through a region of conductors. That means, what is the reason of current electricity? Current electricity is basically arised from the flow of charged particles, specifically electrons. That means, when you will give the proper definition, you should clearly mention each and every points related to it. Current electricity is arise due to flow of charged particle, specifically of electrons. That is the main point, and you should clearly define it in your definition. The electricity is of two types. One is static electricity and the other is current electricity. Now, what is the cause of static electricity? The cause is mainly frictional force. This is the main reason of arising of static electricity. And what is the cause of current electricity? The main cause of current electricity is due to flow of charged particles, specifically electrons. That means the main cause is flow of electrons. And what is the nature of static electricity? It is stationary in nature or static in nature. It is stationary or static in nature. That means it can't move from one part to another. Now, what is the nature of current electricity? Current electricity is basically of movable type. The electricity can move from one part to another. Movable in nature. Now, on the basis of these 2 points, you will clearly differentiate between these two types of electricity. Now, come about the next topic. Now, the next topic that is to be discussed is, what does it mean by electrostatics? The word electrostatics is divided into two parts. One is electricity and the other is statics. That means these two words, electricity and statics, clearly defines that the word electrostatics is related to static electricity. Now, you should give a proper description about the word electrostatics. The electricity that is fixed or static or stationary in a particular region is known as static electricity. It is already defined in the previous topic. Now, the study of that stationary electricity, that means the study of static electricity, is basically known as electrostatics. So, the word electrostatics basically defines the area of study under which study of static electricity is performed. Now, come about the topic frictional electricity. The electricity developed on objects when they are rubbed with each other is called frictional electricity. The term frictional is used here because this type of electricity is arised due to the frictional force acting between two rough surfaces of the objects. Now, what is the reason of production of frictional electricity? When we rub two different objects, frictional force arises in between their contacted surfaces and some amount of energy appears at that place. The electrons that are bounded with the particle on its surface easily takes the energy and gain the ability to transfer from one object to another easily. Due to these electronic transactions between the two objects, electricity is generated in between these two. one object gains electron and becomes negatively charged, and the other object by losing the electrons become positively charged. Thus, the concept of frictional electricity comes with a brief description. Now, what does the words mean? When we rub two objects or rub two rough surfaces, some amount of energy is accumulated at that place due to frictional force. The electrons on that surface takes the energy and gains the power to jumps from one object to another. That means if this is a object, the surface is quite rough, and this is another object. The surface of this object is also rough. If we rub these two surfaces, then some amount of frictional force will be acting in between these two. This frictional force will give rise of some amount of energy. Some amount of energy. Now, the electrons that are on this surface or this surface will take the energy and gain the ability to jump from here to here. Now, due to this, some amount of electric charges arises here. Now, the object that lost the electrons will be positively charged, and the object that will gain the electrons will negatively charged. And now, if we make a diagram of the incident, that will be like this: rubbing, it creates frictional force. Now the frictional force causes energy. This energy is taken by the electrons, obviously on the surface. That means the electrons that is on the surface will take that energy. Now, after taking the energy, transfer of electrons. That means the electron, after gaining the energy, will transfer from this object to this. That means transfer of electrons. Now, due to this transfer of electrons, electricity is generated. Electricity is generated. This is the flow of energy production due to frictional force. In next video, we will discuss about the topic description about electric charges and so on.